Welcome back to Math Class.
Hip-hop hooray! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho!
All right, last time we found out that Miss Horton missed her Uber because she could not figure out the right time. But before we start, I gotta tell you something. Come closer. I met this funny animal. His name is Mr. Rabbit, and he has a huge problem with time. Check this out.
I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
It must be awfully important, like a party or something. Mr. Rabbit, wait!
No. I'm overdue. I'm really in a stew. No time to say goodbye. Hello, I'm late.
Did you see how Mr. Rabbit was like, I'm late. He was like freaking out. He could have been late for his party or whatever he had to go to because he could not figure out how much time had passed. He was too busy sitting down, just chilling in his rabbit hole, digging some dirt or whatever he was doing, and he didn't realize that 30 minutes had passed. That's why he was so late. We have to be on time. All right, so last time, we learned about how to tell time to the nearest 5 minutes. So let's do our warm-up, friends. You know what time it is. DJ, shorthand tells the hour. Longhand till the minute. Short hand is the hour. Long hand, come on, 5, 10, 15, 20, do your dance. 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, now stop. Oh, clock. Oh, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, what? 35, 40, can't hear you. 45, 50, 55, oh clock, what? Oh clock. A new hour, oh clock. It starts a brand new hour. All right, give yourselves a round of applause for counting by 5. All right, now today we're learning about elapsed time. Say it with me, elapsed time. What? Elapsed time. Now, we can figure out elapsed time by looking at a clock. Duh! We can look at a clock to figure out how much time has passed from one time to another time. I'll say it one more time. Elapsed time is the amount of time that passes from one time to another time. So like how Mr. Rabbit couldn't figure out at first that much time had passed, we're gonna help him today. We're gonna be looking at one time, figure out how much time has passed from that one to the next one. Now, I have a special strategy for you. Yes, you, Kevin. Yes, you, all of my friends. All right, now, the strategy to figure out elapsed time is just count as you move. We're gonna count by 5s. You got it. All right. So my elapsed time, I start at a time, then I end at a time. One time to the next. I go from one time to the next. Now, my strategy to figure out how much time has passed is by counting by 5s. I count as I move. I count as I move. You say, count as I move. All right, now, remember, I look at my shorthand first. My shorthand tells the hour. I see 1. 1. Now I look at my longhand. My longhand tells the minute. I see right here. Oh, remember that we can figure out how many minutes by starting at 5 minutes and then counting by 5s. I'm going to start at 5 minutes and count by 5. So I see what time I have for minutes. 5, 10. So my minute is 10. I have 1, 10. That's my start time, 1, 10. My end time, I see my shorthand. Can you see this? Can you see my shorthand? I see that the shorthand here is also 1. It's still the same hour. 1. Do you see this? 1. Now, I'm going to look at my minutes. I see that my minute, remember, I can count by fives. Starting here to see what my minute is. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So my time is 1:45. My start time is, my end time is. Now, what did I say we do when we want to find how much time has passed in between? You got it. I'm going to count as I move. Count as I move. Do what? Count as I move. All right. So I'm starting at 110. I'm going to count as I move by fives. From one number to the next, it's 5 minutes that passes in between. All right, let's start at 110. Let's start counting by fives. Go. Can you see it? All right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. How many minutes did I count? Let's try it one more time. My start time is 1:10. I have to end up on 1:45. Let's count together by fives. Starting at 1:10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So, how much time passed? What is my elapsed time? Do you know? What did we count, friends? My elapsed time is 35 minutes. I counted as I moved by fives and I got 35 minutes. So my elapsed time is 35 minutes. All right, sing yourself some love. All right, now we're gonna do a little practice together. Say, do it together. All right, now I'm gonna read a problem and we need to be smart mathematicians, okay? I want you to help me figure this out. Here's my first problem. It says, Bria started playing at 11:15. Oop, that's my first time. I found my first time. She stopped playing at 11:30. That's my end time. Ooh, let's go back. She started playing at 11:15 and she stopped playing at 11:30. How long was she playing? I have to figure out the elapsed time. Remember, when we want to know how much time passes, we count as you move. What? Count as I move. All right, here we go. First, I need to write in my time. My shorthand is 11. That's my hour. So I need to make a shorthand on the hour. Watch me do it. There's my baby shorthand. Okay, it's pointing to 11. Now, my 15 is my minutes. Let me count. 5, 10, 15. All right, this is my longhand. 11:15. My end time is 11:30. Okay, shorthand hour, 11. Is my minute. Let me count by fives to get to 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, my end time is 11:30. Now I need to count as I move to figure out how much time passes from 11:15 to 11:30. Now let's count by fives. I'm starting at 15. I need to go all the way to 30. Let's count by fives. Starting at 15. Remember, from one number to the next. 5, 10, 15. Ooh, I stopped at 11:30. Remember, my beginning time is 11:15. I have to stop at 11:30. So I counted 5, 10, 15. What is my elapsed time? How much time passed? How much time did we count? Do you know? Good. I counted 5, 10, 15. So my elapsed time is 15 minutes. Good job, guys. 2 claps in the down. Get ready, go. All right, now let's do the next one. Isaiah started eating lunch at 1:05. That's my start time, 1:05. I'm gonna mark it right now, 1:05. My shorthand is the hour. Here you go, can you see it? My shorthand is 1:05. That's my minutes, 5. Ooh, it's on the same one. My longhand is also at 1:05. All right, now he finished eating at 1:35. Ooh, that's my end time. All right, shorthand is the hour, 1. He finished at 35. Let me count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is my minute. Longhand is my minute. 1:35. Now, who remembers? How do I figure out how much time has passed? What do I do? What's that thing I said? Yeah, I count as I move. What? Count as I move. All right, here I go. Remember, don't forget, I start at 1:05. I'm gonna keep counting by 5s until I get to 1:35. Okay? Let's count together. Start at 1:05, end at 1:35. Okay, let's count by 5s until we get there. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Did I stop at 1:35? Yes, I stopped at 1:35. Let's count to see how many minutes passed in between. One more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. How much time passed? 30 minutes. Good job, guys. What cheer should we do? Because you guys are super smart. 30 minutes passed. How about we do McDonald's cheer? Get ready, go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. All right, you guys, you just got this much smarter. Good job. Keep up the good work. See you later.